Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and today we're out at one of my job sites where we're installing one of my favorite wood floors. This is Naturally Aged Floors Medallion Collection. Sunset Hills is the color, and let me show you the product.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
This is the Naturally Aged Floors Medallion Collection. Color is Sunset Hills. This is kind of my go-to flooring when I'm looking for an engineered high-end product. Without the high-end price, it's high quality. You got a 3mm wear layer. So this is a 7.5 inch wide plank. The boards range from 6 feet to 2 feet long. This is one of their only collections or colors in the collection that is both hand scraped and wire brush finished. We set it off here with a lot of different border pieces and featured strips in a lot of the doorways. Check out our video on our feature strips and how we switch directions on this installation. If you want to see more about that, it's pretty interesting how we remake the boards and what it does for the look. And the look is amazing. I've had customers look at Home Depot products and Floor & Decor products and then see this and think it's like night and day. Up here we did a nail down installation, so this product can be nailed or glued. Downstairs we're gluing it. And technically I guess it could even be floated if you glue join it. So I mean, it's one of my favorite products. We have several other videos on some of the other colors and how to install glue down flooring as well. So be sure to check it out. I'll put the link in the description. So this is their hickory flooring. I love hickory. I love the variation in hickory. The variation just really sets it off. Now it does require you shuffle the boards like a deck of cards to blend them in, but as you see, the result is amazing. Now if you don't like a variation floor, or I don't want to say high variation because I've seen floors with a lot higher variation, but if you don't like floors with variation, then this definitely isn't the floor for you. But to me, this is a wood floor. This is what I expect the wood floor to look like. If you want a hickory floor that looks amazing, then definitely check this one out. You're also going to want to watch all the other videos in this series, from the border feature strip video to the install video to the stairs, which are going to be really special. We're having a product made just for these stairs, custom made. That of course we're doing the railings as well. If you're new around here, we could use your help to support our channel. Liking, sharing, and subscribing, of course, but turning those notifications on. Doing all those things really helps us more than you realize. YouTube doesn't help promote us as much as they should, so we need your help. Also, we have a PayPal link. It's down there. Trust me, it's down there. We're trying to get some better camera and audio equipment like the new Sony we're on today. Also, be sure to check out some of our other content. We have lots of great videos on how to install wood, laminate, and vinyl floors, plus my favorite product reviews. I review wood, laminate, and vinyl, and even put them head to head. I run them over, I dunk them, I submerge them, I do whatever it takes to find out which of these floors are best for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to take out your favorite flooring mallet, smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. And thanks for watching.